Toby, can you go with your boy? Let's go.
Father God, I am clay in your hands. Help me to stay that way through all life's demands. Cause they chip and they nag and they pull at me. And every little thing I make up my mind to be. Like I'ma be a daddy who's in the mix, and I'ma be a husband who stays legit. And I pray that I'm an artist who rises above the road that is wide and filled with self-love. Everything that I see draws me, though it's only in you that I can truly see that it's a feast full of eyes, a low blow to purpose. And I'm a little kid at a 3-ring circus. I don't wanna gain the whole world and lose my soul.
Okay, day 4 is over. We've now arrived at day 5. It's Wednesday, December 17th. Central AC installation started yesterday. Front wall demolition and rebuild. Framing complete. Sheathing has only been nailed at the base plate. Still need a cut for the window and the door. One last little piece to put here. Slid very well between the framing and the porch here. Window units come out today. Whoa.
Flashes, say they think that it's you, but they don't know that who you are is not what you do. True, we get it twisted when we peek at the charts.
Well, we've reached day 7 actually.
7?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, 7. That's 7 days.
So exhausted that I didn't film. I think I skipped days 5 and 6. But so far we've seen 3 inspectors and have had 4 inspections. Mechanical inspection passed for the central AC, which is now installed. We passed the framing and the sheathing inspection today. And the electrical is not being passed today because of the grounds have to be tied together. This is the only time they're going to get to see the grounds tied together. And it's during the electrical roughing. So each of the bare copper grounds have to be tied together. And then roughing and inspection, which is scheduled for Monday, December 22nd, will be complete. And today is Friday, December 19th, 2008. And Dad actually turned out to be a good electrician.
He got shocked several times.
Yeah.
It's shocking. He lived to tell about it.
He's actually got the garage door light and outlets, switches, ran all the wiring. It's shocking. But got a nice little backer bracket to give some strength to this porch light here. Porch light receptacle. Got some nice cutting going there. I cut that this morning. But yeah, it is complete. Well, the living room portion of the south wall is complete, but the east wall is complete from end to end. It is new from garage to living room, completely, entirely replaced. Board by board, every single base plate, header, every piece of sheathing, window, completely brand new, 100%. Door, of course. Coming right along, and the garage is a mess. Doody-doo. There's Mother in the dining area. Christmas tree is up for now since the inspections are complete. That'll go down temporarily tomorrow because we're going to start removing drywall so that we can have all new drywall. So it will be like a new room, not just some patched together, you know, scab work or what have you. Yeah, AC unit is in. Thermostat. Very nice. They did a good job. Very good guys. Nice guys. Tony and Angel. Angel and Burgess Jr. Okay. Heating and exhaust was installed. Very good. All new electrical wire. Except for here to the switch. This is the black is the existing, so we're not replacing that, but the fire foam is all in place to protect from any fires that like to climb up the walls and go through holes and ignite insulation. But you can see some of the old wood.
Away, I'm just a breath away, losing my faith today. I'm falling off the edge today. I am just a man, not superhuman. I'm not superhuman. Someone save me from the haze. It's just another war, just another family torn. I'm falling from my feet today. Just a step on the edge, just another day in the world we live. I need a hero to save me now. I need a hero. Save me now. I need a hero to save my life. A hero will save me. Just in time. I've gotta fight today to live another day. Speaking my mind today. My voice will be heard today. I've gotta make a stand, but I am just a man. I'm not superhuman. My voice will be heard today. It's just another war, just another family torn. My voice will be heard today. It's just another kill. The countdown begins to destroy ourselves. I need a hero to save me now. I need a hero. Save me now. I need a hero to save my life. A hero will save me. Just in time. I need a hero to save my life. I need a hero just in time. Save me just in time. Save me just in time. Who's gonna fight for what's right? Who's gonna help us survive?
Well, Merry Christmas. We've reached day 13. We worked all the 12 days of Christmas. Can't even remember where I left off in the video journal here. But all the drywall's up and taped. Corner beads are installed. Looks really, really good too. Arch bead. And the master bedroom. has now been framed, sheathed, windows installed, and insulated. And that's pretty much where we're stopping in this project. We are going to redo the kitchen. That's my Christmas present from my parents. Get to design, pick out the colors and some lows. So I'll really finish out the kitchen. But all the framing is finished. We hung up our last piece of plywood and last 2x4, last bit of insulation, so it's looking really, really good. Opening is now wider. It's been widened by, it's now 16 inches larger than it was. Well, this is day 14. Exactly 2 weeks ago we started tearing out the floor room walls and rebuilding the new walls, and now we have finished putting up the 2 layers of vapor barrier, 15 weight tar paper. First layer stapled, second layer nailed on with the simplex type grip-right nail. Master bedroom, all new perimeter, all new framing around the perimeter. Pressure treated wood, base plate, top plate, kings, jacks, every stud, header. This was the third mismeasured window that was originally designed into the Florida room but got moved because of the door. So we decided to put a door there.